Are you kidding me? You got 1, 2, and then 2 behind. And you got Doris in her stupid polo running red lights. And my insurance is the expensive one. Well, that's a good way to start a vlog. Jesus. Today, I am doing a little vlog as I'm going to a bike night nearby. I'm going to a bike night called Ockham Bites. It's kind of over Guildford way. It's not too far at all, but I'm meeting somebody in Guildford first at a petrol station who's got an MT09. And then he's going to take me and my buddy over there. My friend's behind me. You probably can't see him, but he's on a Honda Blackbird. You might be able to hear it. I kind of want to turn around and have a look, but it's hard to see. You might see him in the mirror. But yeah, he's on a Blackbird. So yeah, fun times all round. Aside from getting squashed by some stupid woman skipping the lights. I didn't even like pull off that quick, and I definitely didn't skip my lights. But aside from almost getting pancaked in the first 10 minutes of my ride, we're going to be making our way over on this fantastic day. It's like 27 degrees, so I'm a little bit hot, considering I've got a hoodie on as well over my gear. But yeah, going to meet a couple dudes there as well. Chill, grab a drink. I might grab some food, because I hear the food's all right over there. But yeah, it'll be a lovely old time. I'm actually going, if you recognise where I am, I could have gone on a road called the Hog's Back. But prior to me leaving, I found out there's actually a fatality on the road and the traffic is at standstill. So not going that way, going to take the back roads instead. So yeah, it makes things a little bit livelier. But yeah, I wasn't going to actually intro my video here. But I thought, it's actually quite fitting to do it here, considering I've almost got squashed. So yeah, a little bit of context behind that as well. But yeah, I'm going to cut to some slightly more interesting roads than this. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Okay, off the main road. Finally. I was thinking, am I going to get any nice footage of some little back roads? Turns out, yes, this one's nice and quiet. It's actually a nice little scenic shortcut. Oh god, that's a big bump. A scenic shortcut to where I'm meeting this dude. But yeah, traffic has been crazy. I mean, I know it's like 5:45, rush hour, and that way it does make sense that that way is also busy, because it basically is the back way to that way I was talking about that involved that collision. Yeah, meeting strangers off the internet again. I don't even know this guy's name. I know more about his bike than I know about him, But yeah, it's all good. I got backup with me in case he's a weirdo. But no, he's got MT9. Message me on Instagram, that kind of stuff. Like, are you going here? And I thought, yeah, why not? Because I've never been to Ockham Bites before, and I have wanted to go, but it's nice. It's almost like I've got a little tour guide taking me there, which is pretty cool. God, this road is a state. Potholes everywhere. This is cute though. Look, little pond. Very nice. I did almost go. The road's called the A31 and then the A3. So, oh god, it's called the Hog's Back. I almost went that way, but luckily a mate warned me, who's in traffic management. He said, "Oh yeah, don't go that way. There's been an accident." And he was actually meant to be coming today, but yeah, he was on call, so got called out to handle that. So unfortunate for him, but oh, nice green light. Otherwise, yeah, I would have had that white fire blade that you might have seen on some of my pages. But speaking of my pages, I think should be at about 15k on TikTok by the time I post this. And then I think I'm at like 6.5 on Insta, and Insta has been going crazy lately. Don't know why, but it's just been doing bits. Yeah, it's been doing really well. It's actually been probably doing better than my TikTok, if I'm honest with you, in terms of like follower growth in the past month. So yeah, very, very cool. And update on the hoodies. They have been finalized, designed and printed and sent to the printers, sorry. So I'm expecting them within the next 10 days. I think they should be with me and on my website, or a website, by the end of June, basically, is when I'm looking to launch them. Probably launch them maybe like 1st of July, you know, since they'll probably sell better as people will have been paid. So yeah, I've actually got to build the site for it as well. I've got to build the site, I've got to do the marketing, I've got to do all that. Go, mate, there's no one coming. I've got to do all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm going to be using a Shopify site, and I will probably just use like a templated one that looks, you know, simple, as I'm only going to actually have one product on there for a while, so it makes sense to just keep it simple, you know. I've run out of stuff to talk about, to be honest with you. I'm quite boring, so what I'm going to do is just cut back when I'm at this petrol station, which, I mean, it's only up the road, but yeah, see you there. Here's my guy here. I hope so. Is there an MT9 chilling here? Yes, there is. So I'm going to get some fuel, chat to my guy, and then I'll follow him into the location. So I will see you soon. There he is. Okay, so we got the MT9 with us now. He's leading the way. I mean, I've not been before. He's just going to let us know. Yeah, thanks for that. I know what you're listening to. Yeah, Soldier Boy, I'm guessing. So he's leading the way. He's got no indicators because he's waving left, which is great. But it's just down the A3. So I'm thinking that we'll have missed any of the traffic from that accident. I mean, if there is traffic, we're on fucking bikes anyway, so it doesn't matter too much, you know. Dodgiest overtake by my guy. Just to get some lean angle behind the Royal Mail guy. Oh, okay, it's not bad. We good. I'm actually kind of glad to be on the A3. Yeah, I'm kind of actually glad to be on the A3 because it's so fucking hot. It's nice to cool down a little bit. So you probably can't hear anything I'm saying, so I'm gonna cut the vlog for now and then resume when I'm a bit closer. So one thing I know about this fucking car park is how fucking gravelly it is. But good turnout. Right, let me speak to some people, check some bikes out. I'll try to take some videos and then I'll check back in. Okay, and that is us out of the bike meet. That was a nice little meet. Very busy. Some very cool bikes showed up, of course. Oh, there's police up ahead. I was wondering why he's tapping his head. It's for the police. Always appreciate a little warning about the police, so yeah, that's cool. But yeah, didn't really do much filming when I'm there. I just, you know, find it a bit cringe going around filming stuff. But I'll hopefully put up a couple of snaps of me coming and going There's some, I think there was like 3 photographers there, which was pretty cool. And yeah, we're just basically gonna mosey on home through this this average speed. Kind of sucks, but you know, not gonna be doing anything silly anyway. Because I don't really, you know, go crazy on the bike when I'm vlogging. One, because it's fucking hard to concentrate, you know, talking wise, and make interesting content when you're, you know, when you're hooning it. You can't really do that. Yeah, cool little bike meet. I'm not sure how well these like little bike meet videos will do. Probably not that well, considering I've not showed anything of the bike meet. But yeah, you know, just went for the ride really. That's definitely something I prefer, is the ride to and from the bike meet. You know, not a lot going on when you're actually there, aside from people revving like lunatics. I shouldn't really be at the back because I'm gonna have to blur number plates because people don't want their plates online. But yeah, not really much else we're gonna be doing now, so I will probably end the vlog here. I'm hoping you can actually hear me, because these mics don't really do that well at high speeds. You know, there's so much wind noise. It is right next to my mouth, so you'd like to think you'd hear something. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. This is probably only going to be a short one, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed the ride to and from. And make sure to follow me on all socials, that kind of stuff, and I'll catch you in the next one.